Integrating Monday.com columns is a powerful way to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to integrate columns. A column in Monday.com is a vertical list of items that displays specific information, such as text, numbers, or dates. To integrate columns, start by clicking on the plus sign at the top right corner of your board to add a new column. Choose the column type you want to add, such as a text column, number column, or date column. You can also add a column from an existing template or duplicate an existing column. Once you have added the new column, you can customize it by clicking on the column settings icon. Here, you can change the column name, add a description, and set the column type. You can also set the permissions for the column, deciding who can view or edit the information. To integrate columns, you can use the Connect Column feature. This allows you to connect a column from one board to a column on another board. To do this, go to the column settings and click on Connect Column. Choose the board and column you want to connect to and set the connection type. Another way to integrate columns is by using formulas. Formulas allow you to perform calculations and automate tasks based on the data in your columns. To use formulas, click on the formula icon in the column settings and enter your formula. Best practices for integrating Monday.com columns include keeping your columns organized and up to date, using clear and descriptive column names, and setting the right permissions for each column. It is also important to test your column integrations regularly to ensure they are working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate Monday.com columns and enhance your workflow. Integration enables you to automate tasks, enhance collaboration, and make data-driven decisions. With Monday.com columns, you can create a customized workflow that meets your specific needs and streamlines your work processes.